Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe, and y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button so y'all can stay locked in with all the latest and greatest shoe reviews. That's right, man, we're on the road to 1K. So y'all see the actual shoe box? Y'all know what it is. It's time for another shoe review. Let's go. We got these sleeper sneakers of the year, I think. Another candidate, these yellow Ochre 6s. Now, they have the same color blocking as your actual infrared, or even you look at any type of Jordan hair, you know, has the color blocking going throughout the midsole of the actual shoe, and you still got your traditional tumbled leather. Not only that, yes, your boy loves these. I wear them out. You get your actual kind of translucent, clear bottom at the bottom of the shoe, and you also get the same color matching jump, man. So like I said, once again, you look at your Jordan hair 6s, they have the same color blocking, and it's a real dope colorway actually, man. Yellow is a good coming of the summer shoe, man. You can pop these out with any type of yellow fit, get you a nice yellow, black, and white hat, even get it embroidered. So you got the black stitching going across with my name on it. Your boy Al Woo with the shoe, teach you the sauce so you can be a boss. Also got the yellow jump, man, on the back of the heel, man. And it has the little yellow accents going across the pull tab on the back. I think it's pretty cool. You get your traditional pull tabs in the front for the actual tongue of the shoe, and it's a real comfortable shoe, man. And like I said, go check my other video out, gaining inches in the places that matter. Jordan 6 do give you an extra lift for all my short kings out there. And it comes with a traditional box when you get your Jordan 6s, man. But it gives you the color blocking on top with the actual elephant print going across the bottom. So if y'all didn't get these, I would say go ahead and cop them. Yellow is a new theme that's in. Tell me what y'all think, man. Are they crispy? Are they cops or drops? I'm saying if you don't got them, go get them. They low. You can get them for about $190. Come on, man. It's Al Woo with the shoe. Tune in for the next video, man. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them? All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.